From Sooner Standards, Interpreting How Well Everyday Apps Predict, a complete Grade 7 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 7.DA.IM.01. Students learn to discuss the accuracy of a model by comparing its generated results, like an app's predictions, with observed data, what actually happens. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual comparison chart of everyday apps, a CS careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric, plus a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. Then 3 to 4 Daltonses of no prep, HQIM aligned instruction across 36 ready to print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.